here we have a 20 pin adapter cable. So if you have like an aftermarket like stereo installed already, and the plug on the back of your current one looks like this, then what you can actually do is you can just plug that into a current harness, and then you can plug this into our head unit plug, and it should allow everything to be working. Super handy, because sometimes what people have done with older head units, so Sony, Alpine and whatnot, they've chopped off the factory plugs and they've actually sort of soldered on this sort of plug here, or socket, and so it's a bit of a pain to go and do it again. So if you just plug this in, it is allows you to have a plug and play one. Now I can't remember, it's a 20 pin, I think this might be a 20 pin Sony. It'll be on the product page description anyway. But here you can actually see it's actually got camera input on here as well. So if you have reverse camera coming in, and the only ones it is missing is it's just missing a couple steering wheel controls. So if you did have those, you'd have to hardwire them up. It's fine. It's a remote wire, and there's a speed sensor wire. So pretty much, if it's our head unit, you aren't going to need any of those. If you do have steering wheel controls, you will have to be hooking up this key 1, key 2, and that ground actually is for steering wheel controls as well. You won't need this one, and this one here should keep the video camera, reverse camera working if you had one of those.